Paul Hastings app: the pros, the cons. If you're a client, lawyer, or employee at Paul Hastings, the app promises to streamline access to legal resources, firm updates, and case management, but how effective is it? One of the biggest pros is information access. Most people get this wrong by assuming firm apps are just for internal communication. The Paul Hastings app provides access to news, client alerts, and practice-specific resources directly on your mobile device. This keeps professionals informed about legal developments anytime, anywhere. Another advantage is collaboration. The app allows secure messaging, document sharing, and meeting scheduling within teams. It also provides alerts for deadlines or important firm announcements, helping lawyers and staff stay coordinated efficiently. However, there are cons. Some users report that the interface can feel clunky, with slow loading times for large documents. Features like advanced document management or integrated billing may require desktop access. Additionally, access may be limited to authorized personnel, meaning clients or external collaborators may not benefit fully. In conclusion, the Paul Hastings app is a helpful tool for staying connected and managing information within the firm. The surprising truth is that while it centralizes updates and collaboration, it's not a full substitute for desktop systems or face-to-face communication. For lawyers, staff, and authorized clients, the app offers convenience and real-time updates but expects some limitations for complex workflows or document-heavy tasks.